Okay, this is a short video to show you how to use the present simple tense statement forms. So after you've obviously opened the app, Speedy English, then if you notice here, you can go to the middle part of the book, and if we look at number 2, present simple tense. Now this is the verb form, so you can see in the statement form, I play, you play, we understand, they walk, the games begin, the planets move. And then with he, she and it, we add an S. Examples there, he reads, Tom runs, she knows, etc. And then some other information here about adding ES to infinitive for verbs ending in double S, SH, CHO. Okay. What I would suggest, although you can go forward here and go on to negatives, I would suggest that once you've had a look at this first page on statements, that you then actually go back and do an activity. Otherwise you're looking at too much information. You then go back again and go back to your study, do an activity now. Go down to number 2, do you go diving? The present simple. Sometimes you have to click it a couple of times to get in there. Okay, we'll do verb forms, number 1. So the first one is an example. Now, say the first one we say, so we can sees her sister every weekend. So she sees her sister every weekend. Great. Push the next one. So you make a mistake here. Let's have a look. They. So you say they catches, and that's wrong. You see it's marked at the top of the square. Now, if we think, I'm not sure about this, I want to check the line, what we can do is push the pause button on top right up here. Push the pause button, and that actually takes us back to the relevant grammar page that you need to study for the exercises that you are doing. Okay, so you can then just go through and remind yourself. Obviously, you don't want to do this for every question. You think, I needed to look at this a bit more carefully. Maybe study again a bit more carefully for a few minutes. Okay, then we think, yes, I need to go on. Go back and press top right, play, and it takes activity. So the tram every month. Let's have a look. They no, it must be they catch the tram every month. There we are. Okay, next one. He gets to the market at 9 o'clock. Okay, so that's quite a useful feature to have on this actual app. Okay, so remember things to do. If you get an advert, just click on down here to the right, and it'll take that picture button. Yeah. Now, for example, let's go to negatives. So study present simple negatives. You can scroll down, have a look at that, check that for a few minutes, and then go back, and you want to go to study. Now, whether it will actually let you, I'm not sure yet. Present simple tense. Here we are. Go into number 2. Now let's see if it will let you go into negatives. Perhaps it won't let you because you need to complete the statements, the exercises on statements first. But let's have a look. Let's see what it does when it opens up. Here we are. Right. No, okay, so it doesn't. You've got actually negatives is number 2. So you would have to actually complete statements first. But in theory, you should be able to go into number 2, okay, afterwards. So yes, so if you click on that, it probably won't let you in yet because you haven't completed number 1 yet. But once you go into that, remember, let's just go back to number 1 now. Okay, so remember, if at any time you want to review the grammar because you're not sure what you're doing, you can just go top right here. and review the grammar, and when for a few minutes, and then when you want to carry on, you go back to there. We get to university day. There we are. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop this video now.